Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2011 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2011 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE5 passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, and electronic suspension, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and electronic windshield in reverse. Powered by a 998cc Rotax 2-cylinder engine, the SPYDER puts 100 horsepower and 80 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6.6-gallon fuel capacity, the SPYDER has a 170 to 200-mile range. It has a 30.4-inch seat height and a 929-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this TRIKE's charging output at 14 volts, both front tires at 7/30 seconds, and the rear tire at 9/30 seconds. We took this TRIKE for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the front end clunks slightly when applying brakes, and there is some play in the A-arm bushings. Additionally, it is noted that the trunk won't stay open and needs a shock. We've posted the service repair order for this TRIKE so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this TRIKE's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a blemish on the front fender. This TRIKE has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased a Cycle Checks vehicle history report. This TRIKE is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the full program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.